Welcome to the studio. It's Marilyn. Here we celebrate the enduring power of a masterpiece. Today we aren't just styling an outfit, we are honoring a legacy of the design. It begins with a Noir Drapery, a double mesh evening dress that creates a soft cinematic veil for the very rare vintage treasure. We start with a crystal clear barely black sheer fabric paired with a delicate sandal reinforced design. This is a premium French reinforced design known for its smooth, seamless finish. As I hold it, the fabric is delicate and light. Here the welt, finish with a subtle diamond pattern, a quiet mark of true craftsmanship. As the light moves through the Noir Drapery, the barely black tan denier reveals its quiet clarity. Weightless, refined, almost like air. The diamond and herringbone patterns don't rest on the surface. They awaken with the weave, softly luminous, a signature of a premium French craftsmanship where strengths live in the most delicate form. The signature alignment begins here. The final detail come into place with the care and intention. Satin and lace anchor guide the structure, bring everything into balance. This is a British engineered luxury belt, designed for precision, shape, and a calm control. Gold signature clipped more than fastening, they define the silhouette with a quiet sense of presence. Each movement is slow and considered, allowing every layer to settle naturally. Nothing is rushed, everything finds its position with ease. The contrast is what makes it complete, the soft lace against the weight of the gold hardware, light and structure working together, holding the form in a perfect alignment. As the light moves through the Noir Drapery, the tan denier fabric reveals a soft, nearly invisible black. It feels light as air, almost like a fine glassy layer. The diamond and herringbone patterns don't sit on the top, they seem to glow from within, a quiet detail of a French craftsmanship where strength is found in sheer delicacy, and every pattern stays gently in a focus. Now the silhouette is complete, we step into the final element. Italian Sergio Rossi metallic stilettos, the cool, sharp gleams of a metal against a French vintage diamond knit, is a study in a cinematic contrast. See how the sandal reinforced design allows the texture to flow uninterrupted into the arch of the shoes, a seamless transition from the hem of the Noir Drapery to the floor. In this light, every element speaks in a harmony. Gold, silk, and steel come together in a quiet rhythm, soft, balanced, and refined. It feels like a gentle symphony of a texture where each detail has its own calm voice. As I move the metallic heel to catch the light is a smooth reflection, adding a graceful finish to the studio atmosphere. Nothing feels separate. Everything connects with ease. Each choice becomes a signature of elegance, shaping a look that feels composed, effortless, and timelessly beautiful. In the world of elegance, we dress for the detail that others might miss. Everything feels balanced, calm, and carefully made. My name is Marilyn. This is the art of the well-made, timeless, refined, and unique.